Greetings to all. This is from All-in-One Super Coaching. Welcome to our Maths Foundation class. So today let us discuss HCF and LCM. That is the highest common factor and least common multiple. Let me define HCF and LCM. Okay. HCF means highest common factor. It is also known as greatest common divisor. Short form is GCD. So what is HCF? The highest common factor of two or more numbers is the greatest number that can divide each of the given numbers exactly. So that is the highest common factor. Next one is the LCM. That is lowest common multiple. Lowest common multiple. The lowest or the least common multiple of a group of numbers is the smallest of the common multiples of these numbers. Hence, it is the smallest number which can be divided by each of the given numbers. So the procedure for finding HCF and LCM is almost similar. So many times children will make mistakes. So because the steps are almost all the same. So now we are going to do some problems related to HCF and LCM. During that time you can understand where you need to stop for finding HCM, where you need to continue. Highest common factor. Example 1. Find the highest common factor HCF of 40, 64 and 80. Here 3 numbers are there. Here you have to find out a common factor for all the 3. So here 2 is the common factor for all the 3. Then after taking 2 as a common factor, you will get 20, 32 and 40. Again 2 is a common factor for all the 3. So again take 2 outside. Then here 10, 16, 20. Again 2 is the common factor for all these 3. So taking 2 outside, 5, 8, 10. Then for finding HCF, you need to stop here. So I circled 2, 2, 2. Because here 5, 8 and 10, there is a common factor for 5 and 10. Also there is a common factor for 8 and 10. But for finding HCF, you have to get a common factor for all these 3, 5, 8 and 10. And you know that 1 is a common factor except 1. So finding HCF, you need to stop this step, at this step. So the HCF is 2 into 2 into 2, which is equal to 8. Next example, 144, 180 and 192. Again, here 2 is the common factor for all the 3. Next step also 2 is the common factor for all the 3. And the third step, 3 is the common factor for all the 3. Now it is 12, 15 and 16. Here you cannot find a common factor for all these 12, 15 and 16. So you need to stop here. So the HCF of this number is 2 into 2 into 3, which is equal to 12. Now it is LCM, least common multiple. Here also procedure is the same for 2-3 steps. So here same numbers 40, 64 and 80. Find out the common factor for any 2. Here the difference is for finding LCM, do not wait for the common factor for all. If you are getting a common factor for any 2, you can take that outside. But here in 40, 64 and 80, you are getting a common factor for all the 3. So you can take that 2 outside. Again in the second step also 2 is a common factor for all, and in the third step also 2 is a common factor for all. But in the next step 5, 8 and 10, here For LCM, we need to consider this step also. Here for 5 and 10, 5 is a common factor. And for 8 and 10, 2 is a common factor. So you need to choose 5 and 10. So 5 is the common factor for 5 and 10. Then here 1, 8 and 2. Again you need to consider 8 and 2. 2 is a common factor for 8 and 2. So after taking 2 outside, you will get here 4, 1, 4, 1. So for LCM, you have to find till up to this point, this step, in order to find out LCM. So here 1, 4 and 1, there is no common factor for except 1. So you can stop here, no problem. So the LCM is, you have to find out, multiply all these numbers together. All these numbers together, that is 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 2 into 4, which is equal to 320. No need to divide, no need to take again 2 outside from 4, again 2 outside from 4. You can stop here. Let us do one more question. Find the LCM of 144, 180 and 192. LCM. So here also 2 is a common factor for all. For the first step. Second step also 2 is a common factor. Third step 3 is a common factor. And after that 12, 15 and 16. There is no common factor for all the 3. So here just consider any two. So here for 12 and 15, 3 is a common factor. So you can take 3 outside for finding LCM. So here 4 and 5, then 16. 3 is not a multiple of 16. So here you have to write 16 itself. Then again, when you consider 4 and 16, 2 is a common factor. So you can write 2, 5 and 8 because 2 is not a multiple of 5. Again, with this 2 and 8, 2 is a common factor. So you will get 1, 5 and 4. So the last step, 1, 5 and 4, there is no common factor for 5 and 4. Except 1. Okay, so you have to stop here. No need to take again 5 outside and in the next step again 4 outside. You can stop here for finding LCM. Then multiply all these factors or all these common numbers, multiply everything together. So when you multiply everything together, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 2, 5, 4. Multiply everything together, you will get the LCM. In this question, we are going to find out the HCF as well as LCM. The question is 16, 24, 32 and 36. First of all, we are going to find out the HCF. You know the step. Find a common factor for all the 4. Here 4 numbers are there. All the 4. 2 is a common factor. Again, the second step also, 2 is a common factor for all the 4. Then third part is very important. Third step is very important. Here third step, the numbers are 4, 6, 8 and 9. There is no common factor for all these 4 numbers. And there is a common factor for 4, 6 and 8. So you cannot consider this step for finding HCF. So HCF, you need to stop here at the second step. So here the HCF is equal to 2 into 2, which is equal to 4. Then for finding LCM, you need to find out the common factor of any 2. So for that, here I have written with the other color pen. So here for 4, 6 and 8, 2 is a common factor. And in that step, 2 is not a multiple of 9. So 9 you have to write as 9 itself. Again, in this 2 and 4, 2 is the common factor. Then in the next step, in this 3 and 9, 3 is the common factor. So finally, the last step, you are getting 1, 1, 2, 3. There is no common factor for 2 and 3 except 1. No need to take again 2 outside, again 3 outside. You can stop it here. Then multiply these together, that is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 1 into 1 into 2 into 3. So when you multiply, you will get the LCM of this number. So finally, For this question, HCF is equal to 4 and LCM is equal to 8. And as you know that the step of finding HCF and LCM is almost similar. So be very careful in doing these type of questions. Try more questions from your textbook.